Welcome to our channel. Today we're taking you on a captivating journey into the wild. Wolves have always fascinated us with their majestic presence and hauntingly beautiful howls. In this video, we'll showcase 9 of the biggest wolf species in the world as they call out into the wilderness. From the mighty gray wolf to the elusive Himalayan wolf, prepare to be mesmerized by the symphony of nature's greatest howlers. So sit back, relax, and let the sounds of these incredible creatures transport you to a world where the wild still reigns supreme. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing wildlife compilations. Let's begin. Number 1. Gray wolf, found across North America, Europe, and Asia. Largest of the wolf species. Number 2. Mackenzie Valley wolf, native to the northwestern regions of North America. One of the largest subspecies of the gray wolf. Number 3. Eurasian wolf, found throughout Europe and Asia. A large subspecies of the gray wolf. Number 4. Arctic wolf, native to the Arctic regions of North America. Smaller than other gray wolves, but still large due to adaptations to cold climates. Number 5. Red wolf, found in the southeastern United States. Smaller than gray wolves, but still one of the largest wolf species. Number 6. Himalayan wolf lives in the Himalayan region. A subspecies of the gray wolf adapted to high altitudes. Number 7. Indian wolf inhabits the Indian subcontinent. Smaller than the gray wolf, but still significant in size. Number 8. Mexican wolf, native to the southwestern United States and Mexico. The smallest subspecies of the gray wolf, but still one of the largest wolf species overall. Number 9. Black wolf, found throughout North America, a large subspecies of the gray wolf.